Hey guys, this is Atul from IELTS Online Practice. It's another sunny day here in Sydney, and I wanted to go over some of the skills for writing task 2 with you. Just before we get started, here's my website, IELTSOnlinePractice.com, and there's a lot of free material on the website. So if you are preparing for IELTS right now, just go in there, click on IELTS 2020 course. The entire course is absolutely free. There are tutorials here for each section of IELTS, whether you're taking the academic IELTS or the general IELTS. There's a writing section, reading, speaking, listening, and there are recent IELTS exam topics. If you want model answers, if you're looking for model answers for writing task 1 or 2, just go on the model answer section, and there are hundreds of topics here which have answers for IELTS band 8 and 9 essays and writing task 1. Finally, if you want to have a look at the recent IELTS exam topics, then just click on recent IELTS topic exams here, and it'll bring you to this section which has exam topics shared by students from all over the world, and you can just go in, read about all the exam topics that have been shared by our students. And finally, if you want corrections for your writing and speaking tasks, just join one of the course options here. We've got single task options where you can submit one writing task or one speaking task, and it'll be marked for you and with a band score and suggestions on how you can improve, just for $5. If you want more detailed feedback, ongoing feedback for unlimited tasks, just sign up for either the 1 week, 2 week, or the 1 month course option. There's also a free IELTS level check here, so you can test out what your current level for IELTS is. Just get started with it. It's a 10 question quiz. It takes 5 minutes, and you know what sort of band score you would get at your current level.